If you searched how to buy shares of Black Diamond Therapeutics I, this short guide will walk you through the main steps. Black Diamond Therapeutics I is a clinical stage biotech listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BDTX, and this is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you normally must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker BDTX to find Black Diamond Therapeutics I. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to confirm it is the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to get basic context. Confirm the page shows Black Diamond Therapeutics I and the BDTX ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the video description if you want to visit the platform.